Ibola Jasi. We need God mercy. 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 Ibi tá já sí yìí lágbára. I've been crying since last night. I wiped my tears. I slept away. Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn. Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn gan. Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn gan. Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn gan. Ah, God, what is this? What is this? What is this in this country? Ah, mi ò lè káyé calls tí máa ń gbà lójúmọ́. Mi ò lè ká. Mi ò lè ká. People are starving. People are really starving. People are dying of hunger. Ìjẹ́ pé mo lówó. How much am I making from my little restaurant I have? Those people I prayed for, they know I don't ask them, oh yeah, mú nǹkan wá. Tell my body kan ṣe nǹkan, they knows. Just do this, do this. Àwọn èèyàn, ebi ń pa àwọn ènìyàn. Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn. How can we help people? We need to help one another. At the beginning of the month, I bought some food stuff in the house. I have some people living with me. I bought some food stuff. Àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tí mo lè ràn lọ́wọ́. At my own capacity, I do it. But the call I receive every day, the call ẹjọ́ ibi ń pa mí. Ṣé ló máa dàbí ìgbà tí ó fi ọ̀bẹ ya mí lára tí n bá gbọ́ pé ibi ń pa mí. Àwọn tí ibi ń pa. I'll be praying, God, please just bless me. I want to help everybody. But how can I? When me too still need help. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní owó ìdá, ibo lẹ wà. Ẹ̀yin tọ́lọ́run bùkún dá. We are these people. Please, all the gospel artists out there, I'm calling you out. Ẹ̀yin tọ́lọ́run ti bùkún nínú iṣẹ́ music. That you have went to one churches and they have blessed you. Àwọn kan wà tó yẹ pé tán bá lọ fún ministration, ó máa fún wọn ní 1 million, ó máa fún wọn ní 500,000. Please, let's come out and help people. I'm very sure in a church that you were called to come and minister. Àwọn tó donate owó yìí tán fún yín náà, ebi ń pa wọ́n náà. Ebi ń pa wọ́n. Ebi ń pa wọ́n, ebi ń pa wọ́n, ebi ń pa wọ́n. Ebi ń pa wọ́n. My heart cannot take it. My heart cannot take this. God, please. God, please. People are on my neck. There was a day I share all the money in my account. In fact, somebody gave me money to use for something. I have to dip my hands into the money to, because mo kì í fẹ́ gbọ́ pé ebi ń pa èèyàn. Mo kì í fẹ́, people that knows me knows that. So when you come to my house, The little I have, I'll pack it together and make sure you eat. Oúnjẹ. Ibi ti pa mí rí mà. If you are privileged to listen to me, if I tell you my story, di alẹ́ tó bá rí òjìji ó máa rí pé mẹ́ta ni ìwọ gangan fúnra rẹ̀. Òjìji kan wà lẹ́yìn ìyẹn ló gbé ìwé dání tó ń kọ gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣe, ó ń kọ sílẹ̀, ó ń kọ fún aṣẹ̀dá tí aṣẹ̀dá ń rí. Anywhere you go, whatever you do, ó wà pẹ̀lú ẹ. In the dark, in the light, in the anywhere, he's writing it. So Ọlọ́run ti yàn. So God does not need to be following you everywhere. Ó ti yàn mirror tí tó ń wò ọ́. And there's another one tó jẹ́ pé ibi tó bá dúró sí ló máa dúró sí. Ibi tó wá dúró sí ó lè dúró àfà. Ìwọ lọ dúró sí ibi tí wàá pé òjìji kò rí. You are three. Ìkan wà lẹ́yìn ẹ, ìkan wà ní left ẹ, ó máa wò ìyẹn lẹ́jọ́ ń ṣe nǹkan tó jọ ń ṣe. Sórí èyí tó wà lẹ́yìn ẹ, ó dúró tí àyàn tí ẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí òjìji tó máa monitor máa kọ gbogbo tó ń ṣe. So ìwà ní ẹ̀sìn. I'm telling you the fact, ìwà ní ẹ̀sìn. Àwọn tó ti ràn lọ́wọ́, àwọn tó ti nípa nínú ayé ẹ̀, àwọn tó ti nu omi jí ẹ̀ nù, àwọn tó ti ṣàánú fún. Á jẹ́ ká máa ṣíwé ìrántí kan ìwọ náà tẹ́bí bá àbí tí nǹkan bá dìde, àbí tó ogun kan bá dìde sí ọ. Ìwà tó bá wù, òun ni àánú yẹn máa fi lè tètè fọ́hùn. So please let us help one and another. And as you do so, ilẹ̀kùn fèrèsé àánú tó ga ju ọgbọ́n orí rẹ lọ, Ọlọ́run máa yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ fún ẹ. Please share this. Ẹ tag gbogbo àwọn tí mo dárúkọ yẹn. Ẹ bá mi tag Aláṣeyọrí. Ẹ bá mi tag Tọ́pẹ́ Àlàbí. Ẹ bá mi tag all the big artists, all the big artists. Àwọn tó yẹ pé Ọlọ́run ti kẹ́ tó yẹ pé Ọlọ́run ti kẹ́ nínú iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́. All the pastors, including my daddy Adeboye. Tag everybody. I know daddy is doing his own. He's doing, but let's look for. Ẹ bá sọ fún each parish is that look for the poorest in the church. Ẹ gbé owó kalẹ̀, ẹni kan lọ máa ro oúnjẹ kan lọ máa gbé sílé wọn. Let's do it like that. Ẹ gbé owó kalẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kan lọ máa see kí a máa establish pé kí church máa fẹ́ kọ́ ní issue báyìí o. It's not the issue now. It's about the people tá a ti acquire, àwọn tá a ti jèrè ọkàn wọn yẹn. Báwo ni wọn ṣe ní padà sínú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nípasẹ̀ ebi? Ẹni tí ẹ sọ pé kó ka Bíbélì tẹ̀ ní kó gbàdúrà tẹ̀ bí ń pa. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ kà? Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ gbàdúrà? Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ gbà? Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ka ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run gbà tí ó jẹ́ láti jẹta? Láì ṣe pé ó gba àwẹ̀, tí èèyàn bá gba àwẹ̀, ó ṣàmà ní nǹkan tó máa fi break. Tó bá máa gba àwẹ̀ 3 days, àwọn òpin tí bá gba àwẹ̀ 3 days marathon àbí 7 days marathon, tí bá gba àwẹ̀ tó ìkankan báyìí ni wọ́n adé bá ti máa jẹ, tára máa fi tù mí. Àbí ìṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. What about those that doesn't have hope? I'm calling you, Baba Adeboye. I'm calling you, Mountain of Fire. I'm calling you, Deeper Life. I'm calling all the pastors, all the big pastors. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin CSC pastors tẹ́ ṣe ń dìde. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ ṣe ń dìde tẹ́ ní owó tẹ́ ṣí rédíò káàkiri. This is not time for that. This is the time to gather this money and look for poor to the poorest and feed them. Let them eat. Let the Sam Oluwalo, Sam Ojo, authority, gbogbo yín, all of you. Let's come together. I beg you. Ẹ máa tag gbogbo wọn. Ẹ máa ẹni mi Stella of Ages. I don't want. This is not fame. I don't want. I just want people sweet. Go and look for people in your church, in your environment. Start feeding. If I have cars, mo ṣe wà tí bá ní kan tí máa gbé tà kéèyàn lè jẹun, I'll do it. That's me. I'll do it. Some people have 10 cars, 5 cars, 6 cars in their house. Ẹni tó fún yín ní ọrẹ nínú church ebi ń pa. Ọlọ́run á bí yín o. 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 Ọlọ́run á bí yín. Go and feed people. Make people eat. This one, let my people eat. Only Kemaso. Let my people eat. Children of God must eat. Must not starve to death. Go and help people. God bless you as you do so. I will do more than that. Only see for me. Olúwa ṣàánú mi. Olúwa mi ṣàánú orílẹ̀-èdè, ṣàánú wa Olúwa. Olúwa ṣàánú wa o. Olúwa ṣàánú wa. Who is very closer to me knows that I don't like people. Me ìfẹ́ kí bí pààyàn. I don't like people getting hungry. I don't no. I don't like. It's not my pattern. It's not my happy habits. I don't like me. Ìfẹ́ gbọ́ ebi pa mí. Mo fẹ́ gbọ́ at all. Mo fẹ́ gbọ́ àwọn tó mọ̀ mí. They are don't mommy, don't soon mommy that one won't me low. So you can tell, when you come to my house, even though if it's my last card, I'll make sure you eat. Torí ẹnu yìí, ohun tá bá jẹ sínú, òun ló máa fún wa ní okun láti lè ja ogun ayé yìí lájàbọ̀. We need to eat. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Ìwọ tó dẹ̀ máa wo fídíò yìí, tó dẹ̀ bẹ̀ sí máa gbé ìgbésẹ̀ láti ran àwọn ènìyàn lọ́wọ́, tó máa jẹ́ kí èèyàn kan àbí méjì jẹ nínú àágùn ẹ̀. Àánú tó máa rí. Àánú tó máa rí, your generation to come we have the impacts in the name of Jesus. Ìwọ tó máa dìde tó máa sọ pé ó yá o, mọ́mí àyànfẹ́ Jésù ibo ni ká ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, ó yá kí ni ká ṣe. Ìwọ tó máa dìde tó máa sọ pé ó yá let's help one and another, let's go and be helping, let's go and be doing it, let's go and be helping people, let's go and be feeding people. Lórúkọ Jésù mo gbà ládùúrà fún yín ni. Lórúkọ Jésù, àánú tí ìran kan yín ò gbà rí, lórúkọ Jésù ọ̀run máa yọ̀ǹda lé yín lórí. Because you will take a step to help one person, to feed one person. Lórúkọ Jésù, láti wákàtí yìí, ilẹ̀kùn àánú ńlá lórúkọ Jésù kó máa ṣí sílẹ̀ fún yín. I'm calling you, everybody. I'm calling you. I'm calling you. I'm calling you. I'm calling you. Atorise, àti Tọ́pẹ́ Àlàbí. What's it called? That melody. I'm calling you Alaseyori. I'm calling you. So awesome. Awesome is a very rich guy. Awesome. And so many artists. So many artists. Tí mi ò rántí orúkọ wọn. Àwọn gospels, àwọn gospel artists. Tí mi ò rántí orúkọ wọn. Àwọn ọmọ mi Bọ́lá Ààrẹ, gbogbo yín. Kí ló mo ti fẹ́ rántí Yétúndé Ààrẹ, Dúsìn Oyèkán. Let's start helping people. I don't know. I do forget things. Never been mo rántí, mo cry mi kan sórí bẹ́ẹ̀, So a lot of gospel artists tó mọ̀ pé gospel ló ń kọ, o ti lọ minister in 1 or 2 churches and they have been a blessing to you. Please give it back now to the world. Give it back to the people in the country now. Give it back to the people in the country now. Ẹ̀yin pastor tọ́lọ́run ti kẹ́, ilẹ̀ lẹ́ra kiri, jet lẹ́ra, mọ́tò lẹ́ra, Ọlọ́run máa bí yín o. Ọlọ́run máa bí yín, ó máa bí yín. If there's àfi tó bá jẹ́ pé kò sí poor person kan nínú church yín. Àfi tó bá jẹ́ pé kò sí ìyá aláta kan nínú church yín. Àfi tó bá jẹ́ pé kò sí, I know you cannot help everybody, but look for the poorest tó nira fún wọn láti jẹun. Go and help them. Go and feed them. Put food in their house. I know Nigerians, when you are helping them, always upon finger star, one finger go. You just do your own. Just leave them. Let them talk. Don't look at that. Just do your own. Help people. Just help people. Feed people and forget about the rest. Just feed. Just go and feed people. Just go and feed people. Please, just go and feed people. I beg you in the name of God. Just go and feed people. I'm calling Christian. So all the Christian. I'm calling all the Islamic, all the Muslims. I'm calling everybody. Go and help. This one is not a talk of tribe or religion. Is a talk of human being to human being. Hey, you say. Let's join hands together. Let's forget about singing. Whatever I see is nothing. Is nothing. Ìwà rere tó bá wù ló máa gbé dé ìjọba ọ̀run. All this gives me some headache sometimes. So just let's join hands and feed ourselves. Let's help ourselves. And as you do so, wàrí àánú gbà àánú ò ní kó lórí ẹ o. Ayé rẹ máa dá, ayé rẹ máa nítumọ̀, ògo rẹ máa tàn, ayé rẹ máa gba ìgbédìde o. Wàrí àánú gbà lórúkọ Jésù. Bó ṣe ń ṣe, bó ṣe gbìyànjú, bó ṣe máa gbé ìgbésẹ̀ láti máa bọ́ ẹnu àwọn ènìyàn. ayé rẹ gba ìgbédìde òjijì o Ọlọ́run kò gbé ẹ̀gá máa gbàdúrà fún yín in the next 21 days I want to be seeing all those gospel artists all those pastors all the imam gbogbo ẹ̀yin imam ńláńlá gbogbo ẹ̀yin dẹ ló ń kówó pamọ́ àwa kọ́ ló lẹ̀mí ara wa àwa kọ́ ló ní àwa kọ́ ló ní the owner of this life of this life can take it anytime just try to do good ohun tó bá ti ṣe bá ó ní ọ̀run ń rí. I bet with you, your religion does not take you anywhere. I'm a pastor, I'm an imam, I'm chief imam, I'm a rev. Not consider it. I know everybody have his or her own headache. Yes, in this country, because it's only headache. But please, out of the little that God did for you, help one another. Help one person. Help. Jẹ́ kí ọ̀run mọ̀ pé o ṣoore. Jẹ́ kí ọ̀run mọ̀ pé o ràn èèyàn kan lọ́wọ́. Jẹ́ kí ọ̀run mọ̀ pé èèyàn kan jẹ nínú àgùn ara ẹ̀. Jẹ́ kí ènìyàn kan mọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin pásítọ̀ tẹ́ ra mọ́tò ńláńlá. This is not the time to buy big vehicle. Ra mọ́tò 20 million, 100 million. When your church member, there's somebody in your church that have not eaten. Olúwa o Olúwa tètè dé o Jésù tètè dé Jésù tètè dé Olúwa tètè dé o. There is somebody in your church, in your boss, that have not eaten. Pastor, and you went to go and buy car. You are buying car kind of 35 million. We are shouting Nigeria. Let's start from the church, from the mosque. Let's start. Our greediness is too much. We only have what we want to eat. Our greediness is just too much. We are only equal to what the Kolaman do. Gbogbo ọmọ yín wọ́n lè school ní Nigeria, abroad náà lọ. Ẹni tó dá tithe fún yín, ẹni tó fún yín ní first fruit ẹ̀, tẹ́ fi ra mọ́tò, tẹ́ fi ra ilé, lọ wò pé báwo ló ṣe ń live, báwo ló ṣe ń jẹ, báwo ló ṣe ń survive. God, have mercy, 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 have mercy. But you cannot go. Imam, pastors, you gather the money, you enrich your pockets. You are doing. Our pastor be the married This is I've not come to pray. I've come to plead to everybody that God has blessed. Be a blessing to one and another. Help one another. Help one. Church. Let's search for the most poorest people. The most poorest people. Let's search for them in your community, in your church, in your environment. Search for them. Be an impact. Be an impact. Ẹni tó poor yẹn, bó jẹ́ 20 naira and 50 naira, ó ti dá sínú church here as an offering. But this time around, they are hungry. Ebi pa àwọn èèyàn. Let's call everybody. Let's call all Choma Jesus. Choma blessing. Everybody. All top parties, everybody that God has blessed, you may be doing it, but I'm just calling you because I want to be saying that you guys are helping a big panyo. All of us, I want Ọlọ́run bùkún, tá bá gbéra wa ní kọ́kọ́rù, tá bá bẹ̀ sí ran àwọn èèyàn lọ́wọ́, àwọn governor wa, ojú máa tì àwọn president yẹn, ojú máa tì àwọn tó ń dà wá láàmú ní Nigeria, ojú máa tì wọ́n. Come, stop crying. Are you crying? Yeah, come down. You go and wash your face and see that. That's my staff daughter. People living with me here, they do. And almost the little. Owó tí mo fi máa ra foodstuff sílẹ̀ sínú ilé tẹ́lẹ̀. Tí mo fi máa ra foodstuff sínú ilé tẹ́lẹ̀ kò tó ra half, quarter. Tí ma fi ra provisions kò tó ra quarter. sílé. Out of the little, I still do. I'm telling you the fact. I still do. God is not that. Ẹ fún mi lówó mo fẹ́ raṣọ. Ẹ fún mi lówó kíní kan. Is let people eat. Let them eat. Starving. I know the tẹ́bí bá ń pààyàn mo mọ̀ bó ṣe máa ń ṣèyàn. I've once been in that situation when I was young. I was living with some people. Ó fi ebi pa mí. Sherry, ayami toki yi. You'll be counting the bones of my chest. That was where I will look for that picture one day. I will post it. I will look for one of the pictures. I will try to look for it if I still have it. O mama ka igun ayami. Mama ka pe se ni lele. O mama ka. That is what hunger can do to people. Yes, that is what hunger can do. If the ulcer I have now, is it was during that period because kò sí oúnjẹ. Ìgbà yẹn tí n bá rí ibi tí wọ́n ti ro fùfú. Jésù, tí n bá rí ibi tó ti ro fùfú. Tẹ̀bí fùfú ro fùfú ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó ti kó fùfú ẹ̀ kúrò. You know that is ìsàlẹ̀ pot tó ti jóbó pot yẹn tí ẹni tó ní fùfú ẹ̀ kò dẹ́ra fi sílẹ̀ bóyá ṣíṣí ti jó gbogbo ẹ̀ tí ó ti ṣe sí. I will not even look at that. I will go and peel it and eat so that something can stay in my stomach. I've been through it. I know how it goes. I've been through it. Please, I can't bear it. Keep you back my way, yo. I can't bear it. And people are calling me too much. I want to help, but I can't do more than the little I have. It's 100,000. I'll give like 60, 70 to people. Even me, I need help. Even me myself. It's not that I'm okay. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde. Ẹ̀yin ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Ẹ dìde o. Tó bá ní owó lọ́wọ́. Tó ní oúnjẹ sílé tó fún àwọn tẹ́bí ń pa. Àánú máa ká kúrò lórí ẹ o. Àánú máa ká kúrò lórí ẹ o. Ẹnu àṣẹ ni mo fi sọ̀rọ̀. If you have millions in your account and people are hungry, you cannot say, ẹgbà ẹ bá mi ra 2 bags of rice, ẹ bá mi share fáwọn èèyàn. Tó lè sọ pé, óyá ẹ bá mi lọ sínú street kan. If you know you don't trust anybody, you can do it yourself. If you know you can't give your money to anybody, maybe go trust you can do it yourself. Go to streets. It's not compulsory you do the video. Some people does not like it. Just do it. God sees you. When you do it, God sees you. When you do it, God sees you. You have 10 million naira in your account. You have 20 million naira in your account. And you cannot go to street by street to buy like 10 bags of rice and share to them. God sees you. Anu ye o ma ka kúrò lórí you. Anu te fi rowo ye o ma ka. I'm not what I'm going through myself. I want to help people. People are calling me back to back. A big part Nigeria. People are hungry. People are starving. People are really starving. In my restaurant, Timbawambe, I said it later. In fact, yesterday I went to the market. I went to go and buy some food stuff in the restaurant. And I was asking myself, am I really selling for profit or am I doing charity? Because before kato tonje fún èèyàn, kato tonje fún èèyàn mẹ́wàá. Kato tonje fún èèyàn mẹ́wàá, èèyàn 50 tí máa wá pa àwọn olówó táwọn máa fi jẹ. Ebi pa wọ́n. Kato tonje fún èèyàn mẹ́wàá. You're 50, Mati, they don't have money, they just want to eat. God have mercy. We need mercy. We need your mercy. I'm calling you out. All these pastors, all you pastors, the pastor ló máa dùn mí kàn. Most of you have foundations. Most of you have 1 or 2 things that you are doing. But Now, let's do more. Let's do more. Let's give back to the country. Let's give back to people. You that God has blessed. You have been some churches, some people have been. Nínú owó tithe tó ń sọ, ìyálọ́jà tó ń tẹja ní ọjà, tí ò rí ọjà tà mọ́. Owó ẹ̀ wà nínú owó ọrẹ tẹ gbà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ máa help àwọn need. Please, there are some pastors that they only focus on rich people. I know very well. I know when I was going through tough time. I know that when you enter some church, and to logo no man focus, I no man pray for. This time around, let's leave that attitude. Let's leave that attitude. Let's help people. Let's start going from one street to another. Let's start going to the poorest area and let's be feeding them. Let's be feeding. KGN, please. There was a man I really love. I really want to help. He has stroke. Only stroke, and there's nobody to help him. The man called me and said, "Àyànfẹ́ Jésù, ebi ti fẹ́ pa mí o." The man said, "Àyànfẹ́ Jésù, ebi ti fẹ́ pa mí o." Jésù, ibo la ti ṣẹ̀, ibo la ti kùnà, what is this? Ibo la ti ṣìnà, Olúwa. Ibo la ti ṣẹ̀, Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa, Olúwa ṣàánú wa. Olúwa ṣàánú. Calling. Ìwọ pastor tó bá ní owó lọ́wọ́, tó bá bọ́ síta lára àwọn tẹ́bí ń pa lọ́wọ́. Àánú Ọlọ́run máa ká kúrò lórí ẹ. Àánú Ọlọ́run máa ká kúrò lórí ẹ. Benny, if you have money, please, I'm sorry that I have to just say this because my heart could not take it. If you have 10 million in your account, you have 2 bags of rice in your house, and you cannot go to one street to go and they are not pastors, they are not gospel artists, but God has blessed them. God has blessed them. God has blessed them. You have 10 million naira in your account. You are living comfortably. And you cannot go out. You cannot go out to go and look for rural area for those people that are hungry. This one is not a content creating. It's not a, my hands could not take it again. That's why I just have to come out. I can't take it. I wish I have 10 million. I wish I have 5 million. I wish I have, have more than enough to go and be giving people. I wish. How I wish I have that millions. Mama, just be buying rice, gari, give to people. Just feed people.